Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to draw a simple tree, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is the trunk. So we could come right here with this line curving in, and we could do the same thing to the other side. Now down at the bottom we are drawing the roots, and as you can see we're not making it perfect. So we're kind of leaning over to one side. Next we'll head back on top and we'll start drawing any branches. And you can see it's just this simple curve coming across. Just like that. And we're also drawing these lines for a better detail on the tree. Now for the main part of the tree, which is the leaves. So for the leaves, we just going to be doing these big curves, as you can see right here. And you guys could feel free to follow along, it don't have to be perfect. So we just curve in, kind of have like a cloud shape. So continue on doing that. Pretty simple, right guys? And we're going to go ahead and add a bit more details, but you guys could stop at the leaf part, but we just going to go in and add a bit more curves. So just like that. And then we just go and draw these lines here to show a little bit more details of the leaf. Alright, cool. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the sketch. We're going to go ahead and kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you can see, clean. And for those of you who don't know, we did draw a tree in the past, but that one had a bit more details to it. But for this one we decided to keep it more simple, and it's something you could use with, cartoons. But with that being said guys, bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.